Takoshiho. I'm a Japanese who loves Japan and Asian food culture. On my YouTube channel, you can enjoy watching healthy Japan and Asian recipes and Japanese ingredients and cooking technique and tools and stuff. So please subscribe my channel. So today I'm going to make this burger. Yep, it's not Japan or Asian food at all, right? But I'm going to use this rice instead of buns. So it's gonna be gluten-free with some Japanese fillings. You can make this when you leave some rice, you know, like after sushi party or something. It's really fun to make and really healthy. So let's get started. Today I'm going to make two kinds of rice burger. One is tofu and grilled veggie with miso glaze. It's vegan friendly. And the other one is teriyaki chicken with sunny side up. The ingredients are, for the tofu burger, it's firm tofu and some veggies. I use red bell peppers, eringi, it's king trumpet mushrooms, right? And lettuce and avocado and onion for relish, and it's miso glaze. And the teriyaki chicken burger, it's no skin chicken breast and egg and lettuce and teriyaki sauce. It's really simple. So the first things first, I'm going to prepare the tofu. So this is firm tofu. Please don't use soft silky tofu because that's really fragile. I'm going to use 1/3, and it's a bit big, so I cut like this. I just need this, and I want to remove the excess water, so put in paper, 15 minutes or so. Right, I'm going to prepare some veggies too. Cut this king trumpet mushrooms. Just need maybe 2 red bell peppers. Just cut this round part. Looks really thick and nice. The avocados, I'm going to slice like this. I don't want avocado get brown, so keep it rough. The onions. It's gonna be like a relish. I just mix with salt and get rid of excess water. Some salt and leave it for a while and squeeze later. Okay. La la la. And I already made this miso sauce for grilling tofu. This is made with miso, sake, mirin, soy sauce. Right. The chicken, teriyaki chicken. Oops. You know, chicken breast has thick part and thin part, right? I just use this thin part today. If you make 3 or 4, you can just cut this in half, and one whole chicken can make 3 pieces. Make some whole. Easy, easy. This is teriyaki sauce. It's really simple teriyaki sauce without sugar. I don't usually use sugar, so I just use mirin and sake and soy sauce, the same amount each. Okay, that's it. If you don't have mirin, you can use sugar. So the next I'm going to make rice buns. I use white rice rice, but you can use brown rice or rice with some grains. Okay, so I put some salt. And this is cornstarch. This can help sticking each other. Right, I mix well, and I just divide it into 4. I use this wrap. I use this circle. If you don't have this, you can just use your hand, make a circle. It's not that difficult. Right. Like that. Put some olive oil to your finger and press a bit. Actually, you can add sesame seeds or soy sauce into this rice mixture if you'd like. No rules. Looks really beautiful. To the pan. This is really fun to do this with kids or friends when they come over or on the weekends. It's better to press a bit harder than you think, not to fall apart when you eat. Alright, okay, look at this beautiful buns. Let's wait, the fillings are ready, but we don't want them get dried, so I'm going to lid on it. Let's prepare fillings. I put some olive oil on the pan and grill this paprika, red bell pepper, and mushrooms and tofu. Put some tofu gently. Pepper and salt with the veggies and the mushrooms. Okay, the mushrooms are ready. I'm going to flip this tofu. I love this weird color. This, right, it's ready. Okay. Nice and brown. And I'm going to pour this miso sauce. The heat should be low because this miso sauce is kind of sweet, so it's easy to burn. Boom. Wow, smells really good. Okay, turn off the heat. Okay, I wash the same pan and pour vegetable oil in it. And I'm going ahead to grill chicken. Alright, so this is the chicken I prepared, and I get rid of this water, excess water. I put some flour around them really lightly. Flour can help not to get dried. And grill this in low heat. While I grill this chicken, I'm going to grill this rice burger in low heat. Like 1 minute, one side, and flip it in 1 minute more. That's it. Put some soy sauce, like this. Yum. And flip it. I flip it and put soy sauce again. I love the burnt smell of the soy sauce. 1 minute each side and turn off the heat. Rice is ready. And put a lid on it. So I pour this teriyaki sauce. It looks too much, but it's not too much for this recipe. the sauce got a bit thick because of the flour. Okay, I'm going to take out this chicken because it's up. Because it's... And I'm going to thicken this sauce a bit. Turn off the heat. And I'm going to make sunny side up here. Make like a circle as much as you can. And then this is mayo and mustard. We call karashi Japanese mustard. You can use Dijon mustard if you like. I'm going to use this for both of the burgers. The mayonnaise is Kewpie mayonnaise, as always. Alright, so every components are ready, so I'm going to assemble it. The rice, looking good. And I put some mayo, mustard mayo, and lettuce. It got a little wilty, but it's alright. And tofu. I should have left some sauce, but it's dried out. The mushrooms, I cut it because it's kind of hard to chew. Red bell peppers and avocados, like that. Mayo, again. Black pepper. Buns. Yes. Watch. Woo! And this paper. Tofu Burger. Lovely. Alright, so let's make the chicken one. Mustard mayo, lettuce, and chicken. Yum. I love onions. I put a lot. And egg. And I pour teriyaki sauce and mayo. It's so good. Let's give it a taste. Alright, look at this. Looks so good. Veggie tofu burger. Smells really good. The miso glaze. Good. This is very well balanced burger. The texture of tofu and juiciness and sweetness of the vegetable and mushrooms, and the miso glaze. This is so good. This is so good. Now I'm gonna try this teriyaki chicken. Look at this egg and the glossy chicken. Can't wait to taste this. Itadakimasu. So good. This is so satisfying, comforting, but you know, it's healthy. I hope you try those. So good. Yeah. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this. I'm going to try Asian twist recipe more often, so please subscribe my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.